Tornadoes happen in many places around the world.
Whoa, that cloud looks like it's touching the ground.
That's not a regular cloud, Willow. That's a tornado. A tornado is like a big funnel of wind, spinning around really, really fast in a circle.
Like a spinning top? Spin! Whoa! Whoa! Where have you gone? There you are!
Tornadoes come from giant superstorms. When warm, moist air meets cool, dry air, it causes a spinning effect. When more warm air is pulled up from the ground, this spinning makes a funnel. Then, when the funnel hits the ground, that's a tornado. Phew. Tornadoes can tear across the ground and cause a lot of damage. The good news is, most tornadoes aren't that powerful.
Whew, that's good to know. All of this tornado talk really blew me away.
Let's write tornado. T. O. R. N. A. D. O. T. O. R. N. A. D. O. Tornado.
Wind!
Wind is moving air and can blow at different speeds and move in different directions.
Wind is everywhere, but I don't see anything.
You can't see wind, Marco, but you can see what it does to things. You can also feel it.
Look at that tree. I can see what the wind is doing to it. And I can feel the wind on my face.
Great work, Marco. Do you know where wind comes from?
Is there a giant fan in the sky?
Not quite. Wind is caused by the sun. When the sun warms up air, it rises. Cooler air rushes in to fill its place. This rush of air is wind.
Wow! Wind is caused by the sun? Amazing!
Wind has a lot of different strengths. There's a gentle breeze.
Ah, feels nice.
A gale is a strong wind.
Whoa, look at that kite!
And a hurricane is a storm with very, very strong winds.
Whoa! Whew! I have certainly felt the wind now. Whoa!
Find the matching numbers.
Hurricane.
Hurricanes, also known as typhoons, can form over warm ocean waters. This is a tropical storm known as a hurricane.
What did you say? I can't hear you over the storm. It's so windy.
A hurricane is a powerful storm with extremely strong wind. Hurricanes start as a swirling storm over the ocean, where the water and air are warm. When this powerful storm hits the land, we call it a hurricane.
Hurricanes don't sound like much fun.
Hurricanes can cause a lot of damage. They can knock down trees, damage buildings, and cause floods.
But what if you live where there are hurricanes? How do we protect ourselves in a hurricane?
Being ready for a hurricane is very important. You may have to go somewhere else before it hits. And you have to make sure your house is hurricane-proof.
That house has covers over the windows.
That's a good way to protect it from the hurricane. When a hurricane hits land, it starts to slow down. and after a while, it stops.
Now that the sun is out, I'm gonna make sure that the Polomobile is hurricane-proof.
Good thinking, Willow.
Now let's test your memory. Find the items.
Rainbows.
Rainbows appear when there is water and light.
Wow, that is so pretty.
That's a rainbow. Sometimes you can see one in the sky after it rains.
It has all my favorite colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Great job, Gorby. Do you know how rainbows are made?
Well, you can see them after it rains, and they're called rainbows. So, does it have something to do with rain?
Excellent working out, Gorby. To make a rainbow, you need water and sunlight. Sunlight is made up of lots of colors, but when we see it, it shines as white light. Rainbows appear when there is water and light.
Wow, I can see all the colors of the rainbow.
Isn't it pretty?
So the way to make a rainbow is to have water and sunlight?
Yes.
Then I'm going to make a rainbow myself by spraying a hose on a sunny day.
Cool plan, Gorby. Find the matching numbers.
Thunder!
Thunder can happen anywhere in the world if weather conditions are just right.
Whoa, loud noise!
That's thunder.
It sounds like someone banging a huge drum in the sky.
It does sound like that, Lily. Thunder is the sound lightning makes. When lightning strikes the ground, it forms a gap through the air. After the lightning has gone, air falls back into place and makes a loud noise, which we hear as thunder. The air makes rumbles, cracks, and booms.
Wow! Hey, that lightning didn't make a thunder sound.
Wait for it.
There it is! I wonder why thunder comes after the lightning.
The light from the lightning travels to our eyes much faster than the sound travels to our ears.
So they happen at the same time, it just takes us time to hear it?
Exactly. But if you're really close to a storm, you'll hear the lightning and thunder closer together.
That storm sounds pretty close. Let's go inside where it's nice and dry. I'll race you.
Now let's test your memory.